Hey guys, what's happening? How to get live captions for any video on iPhone. So go ahead to the settings, okay, and then click accessibility. Oh, before you do that, go ahead to the general and then software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the accessibility, okay. Scroll a little bit down and you're gonna find in the hearing section live captions. Go ahead and click, and you can go ahead and turn it on, okay. And of course you can customize the captions, right? Add text size, color, and position for better visibility, and then go and play any video on YouTube or Instagram, etc., and your captions will appear in real time. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the captions, let's say, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and play this video, right?
I see a lot of people be talking shit about America. Hey, if you
There you go. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.